Hello, I am going to show you how to make some really simple fishhook earrings to finish off your jewellery projects. You are going to need 10 centimeters of 0.8 millimeter wire, some round nosed pliers, some blunt nosed pliers, a pair of wire cutters, some kind of file to smooth down the rough edges of the wire, some nylon nosed pliers, and a round pencil. To start making the earring hooks, bend the piece of wire in half. Use the blunt nose pliers to squeeze the two halves of the wire together. It can be hard to get the two halves of the wire to match up. You can just snip off the ends so that they are the same length. File down the ends until they are smooth. Using the round nose pliers, make a loop in the ends of the wire that you have just filed down. This can take a little fiddling. Bend the wire over the pencil as shown. How you loop the wire over the pencil will change the style of your earring hooks. Put a little bend just above where the wire bends in half. Cut off the bend in the wire so you have two separate earring hooks. Then file down the end of each earring hook. Now we need to harden off the earrings by squeezing them in the nylon pliers repeatedly. And now you have a pair of earring hooks.